Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Freedom. In this video, I will be analyzing Argo Blockchain. The Bitcoin correction is clearly over, and I want to talk to you about some Bitcoin price projections from Pantera Capital, along with some data from Glassnode. After that, I will be talking about Argo's stake in Pluto and a potential IPO for Pluto. So let's get started. Argo shares have recovered over the last 10 days from a low of 1.77 on April 19 to 2.53 as of now. During this recent Bitcoin correction, the shares of the miners just got hammered. Guys, we have to be prepared for future Bitcoin corrections. So now the question is, how can we predict a Bitcoin correction? In order to do so, we have to go to Glassnode and check the exchange inflow volume over here. In order to have a Bitcoin correction, we need whales, hedge funds, and other large institutions to sell. They send their Bitcoin from their wallets to the exchanges. When there is a large inflow of BTC to the exchanges, it is an indicator of high selling volume and the beginning of a Bitcoin correction. And after that, all the FUD starts. Articles start showing up all over the place. For example, Turkey banning crypto payments. Well, nobody's talking about that right now. Guys, there is another way to predict a potential Bitcoin correction. This is the monthly options data for Bitcoin. Today is April 30 and options are expiring. As we see here, in every month just before options expiry, we have had a fall in Bitcoin prices. In April, we have gone down from 64,000 to 47,000 in the weeks leading up to the options expiry. Guys, at the end of March in one of my videos, I did speak about this options chart. So going ahead in May and June, let's use this data to make informed trading decisions. Guys, just wanted to ask something. To make these videos, it does take a lot of time and effort. So if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Argo shares are now at 2.53, and within the next few months, I expect Argo shares to go above $4. We are coming out of a Bitcoin correction, so this type of a rapid increase is expected. Now let me justify why I feel this will happen. Bitcoin is now around 54,400. Firstly, after options expiry, Bitcoin tends to go higher. Secondly, these are the Bitcoin price projections of Pantera Capital, and this is based on the stock to flow model, so these figures are highly relevant. These price targets are for the next 4 to 5 months. As we see here, the projected price of Bitcoin on April 15 was 62,968, and the actual price was also around 62,000. From the weeks ahead column, we can see that in 2020, the actual price was behind the projected price, as the weeks ahead is negative. But in 2021, the actual price on 15th March was 3 weeks ahead of the projected price. On 15th May, Bitcoin is projected to go up to 74,474, and the current price is 54,400, which is 37% higher than the current price. So if BTC increases by 37%, then Argo stock should go up by at least 50%, as the mining companies are a leveraged play on the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now at around 54,200, and on the upside, the next target is 58,000. If you want to buy Argo shares, then anything around the $2.5 range is a great time to buy. Another factor is that shares were issued at 2.77. So if you buy now at around 2.5, you are buying at 10% less than what the institutions paid. At this stage, we want to fully position ourselves in Argo, Bitcoin, or in other mining stocks, as in May, Bitcoin will be going above the all-time high of 64,000 and then get back into price discovery mode. The chief economist from Chain Analysis has mentioned that as per the on-chain data, a group of investors have spent as much as $24.5 billion buying Bitcoin in the last few months. A group of 1,200 investors bought 450,000 Bitcoin, and they bought it when the price was around 54,500. The current price is also around 54,400. Argo Blockchain has a stake in Pluto digital assets. Pluto is now planning to have an IPO on the Aquis Stock Exchange in London. Pluto invests in different kinds of digital asset projects. These projects are based on decentralized technologies, decentralized finance, and on networks such as Ethereum and Polkadot. Peter Wall has confirmed that Pluto has a target date of late May 2021 for having its IPO. Please also do your due diligence and research before buying shares of Argo. That's it for this video. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading and see you in the next video.